Activated carbon absorbs odors, discoloration and impurities. Replacement media designed to fit the AquaClear 50 filter. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums up to 50 gallons. Includes 3 AquaClear 50 activated carbon inserts. AquaClear 50 activated carbon inserts as replacement filter media for the AquaClear 50 power filter. AquaClear 50 activated carbon filter insert improves water clarity in fresh and saltwater aquariums. Exclusively designed for the AquaClear 50 power filter, it provides superior adsorption qualities, which eliminate odors, discoloration and impurities. AquaClear creates a wide variety of products for freshwater tanks such as fish tank accessories, fish tank decorations, and aquarium filter media that is perfect for large and small fish tanks. Top reviews from the United States. Simply the best. I've been using the AquaClear 50, 2 of them in fact, for about 10 years. When I bought mine, they were called the AquaClear 200. Not sure why they changed the name, but they are still running strong. Recently, 2 of my fish decided to spawn. I learned that really messes up an aquarium fast. Needless to say, I had to treat it with Melafix and Clout. The Clout meant I had to pull the carbon packs out of the filters. For about 3 days I ran without the carbon. The tank got just a little hazy. Not bad, but not the crystal clear waters I've been used to. 24 hours after putting the new carbon packs back in, crystal clear again. AquaClear is the only brand I've used. It was highly recommended by the pet store when I bought my setup way back when. I didn't realize how good this stuff was until I had to do without it. Looking at some friends' setups, I realize AquaClear really is the best.